It started small. Something so subtle that I almost brushed it off as my own forgetfulness. A photo frame on my bedroom wall, one of me as a child, sitting on a swing in my grandparents' backyard. I remember that picture clearly. My dad took it on a summer afternoon, and I was smiling, wearing my favorite blue shirt. But one morning, when I woke up, something was different. My smile was gone. In the photo, I was looking away from the camera, almost frowning. At first, I thought maybe I had misremembered the picture, that my memory was playing tricks on me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't. The next night, I went to bed uneasy. And when I woke up again, another photo had changed. This time, it was my kindergarten class picture. Originally, I was standing in the back row, hand on my friend's shoulder, both of us grinning. But now, my friend was gone. Just an empty space where she had been, and I was staring directly at the camera with this blank, hollow expression. I tore the photo off the wall and flipped it over. Nothing unusual. Same frame, same picture paper. But the image inside wasn't the same. It had been altered, somehow. Over the next few nights, it got worse. Every morning, a new childhood photo would be different. In one, my parents were missing from the family portrait, leaving only me in the center. In another, my eyes had been blacked out completely, as if someone had drawn over them with a marker. And in one picture, the one that broke me, I wasn't even a child anymore. The photo showed me as I am now, standing in the same spot I had been when I was 7 years old, wearing the same clothes, same background, but with my adult face staring out. That's when I realized it wasn't random. The photos were changing in order, one by one, as if something was rewriting my past right in front of me. I tried everything. I locked my room at night. I hid the photos in drawers, even put some in a box in the attic. But every morning, no matter where I hid them, they were back on the wall. Changed. One night, I forced myself to stay awake. I sat in my bed, eyes glued to the photos. Around 3 a.m., I must have dozed off. But when I opened my eyes, I wasn't alone. There was something in the room. A figure, tall and pale, standing right in front of the photos. Its fingers were long, impossibly long, and it was touching the glass of one of the frames. As I watched, the image inside began to ripple, like water disturbed by a pebble. And then, it shifted. The version of me in the photo turned its head slowly and stared directly at me, while the figure whispered something I couldn't understand. I couldn't move. I couldn't even breathe. The next morning, all the photos were different again. This time, every single picture showed the same thing. Me, lying in my bed, asleep. And in the corner of each photo, that pale figure watching. Now I don't sleep with the lights off. But I know it doesn't matter. Because every night, whether I see it or not, someone, or something, is changing my childhood photos. And one day soon, I think the final picture will be of me, awake.